Hey friends, a lot of users are trying to find a way to disable hardware requirement checks for mixed reality portal app. Now, here's my suggestion, a very honest one. You should not be doing that even if you find some trick to do it on the internet, because that can be a very, very dangerous thing. Why? Because if you are running an application on your system that your system is incapable of handling, as a result, it will utilize all the system resources at once, and it can lead to a blue screen of death error or permanent damage to your system. So what are the requirements? Obviously, the requirements which are mentioned on the internet are minimum requirements, so I will not suggest that. I will suggest to at least use somewhat higher requirements. So they say that at least an Intel i5 4th generation PC is needed. I would say try at least an Intel i5 10th generation computer. Okay, so this is the one. And as for RAM, it says 8 GB DDR3. Now you cannot change it, change the whole system. If your system needs DDR3, it will need DDR3, but you can change it from 8 to 12 or 12 to 16, because those should be the recommended requirements. These ones are the minimum requirements. And storage, they said 10 GB. We can try an excellent trick for this one. Just search for disk cleanup and open disk cleanup. Go to OK, check all of these boxes here, click on OK, and then select delete files. Okay, so this is one way, and this is how you can do away with the requirements. There's no other way to bypass this. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.